tell me if the belief systems of the $10.4 trillion mutual fund industry, and if you wonder why I keep saying $10.4 trillion industry, because I'm trying to make a point. It's a big business, and they're a big business for a reason. If you want to know how people are doing, how investors are doing, let's just see how the performance has been over time. Dalbar is a company that went out and they did a study, and what they want to see, they wanted to see how did equity or stock market investors do between 1983 and 2004. And so they want to answer this question. And so they looked at the performance of investors who invested money in stock mutual funds. Okay? So you have to have a benchmark if you're going to do a study. And so the benchmark that they used was the S&P 500. Now, when I talk about the stock market, okay, and I talk about the S&P 500, I'm using that as my benchmark, okay, as a comparison. So we want to know if there's a lot of risk out there and the stock market's losing a lot of money, that's kind of our comparison for anything that we're talking about. So if we look at this, not too bad. 12.2% a year over a long period of time is not bad at all, okay? And that's a good time period because it looks at both a bull market goes up, or in a pretty bad bear market too, market goes down. My wife, every once in a while, she humors me, and she'll listen to me as I start talking about investments until her eyes roll in the back of her head and she can't take it anymore. But she'll listen to me every once in a while. And it was funny because the other day she goes, okay, what's this bull and bear thing? Because they both look mean to me. They both look mean. So the bull is good, the bear is bad, okay? So we've got to keep that in mind as we're talking about this. So what did the average stock market investor who used stock mutual funds, how did they do? 2.57%. Do you think it's working? Do you think the application of these beliefs that the $10.4 trillion mutual fund industry wants you to believe, wants you to apply, do you think it's working? I would suggest not. You could have put your money in a money market account and made 5.05%. So it's not good. There's a lot of flaws in these beliefs.